Most creators will never hit 100K a month because they're not thinking like the creators that are already doing 100K a month. These 9 mindsets are the difference between being average and being successful. I'm going to be breaking down each one of these and how the top 0.01% of creators are using these to consistently make 100K a month. They're not just general quotes, general motivational quotes. They're new ways of thinking and ways of thinking that are going to change the way you act, that are going to change the ways you create content and really change the way how fast you're going to grow. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Number 1 mindset to have: attention equals dollars. The more attention you get, the more money you make. And it's simply because the more views you get is really the more potential customers that are going to subscribe to you. Even if someone doesn't like you and that has a view and it pushes it out further to the algorithm to someone who would like you and they sub, you've made more money. There's a potential customer there. So you having 100,000 views is actually technically 100,000 potential customers. Obviously, that's not the case. And it's very simple. And you probably notice it yourself. The days you get a couple thousand views, you get less subs. The days you get 100,000 views plus and go viral, you're getting subs in. You're making way more money. So the key with getting attention is you must get it daily. It's not a process of, oh, I'll get 100K views this week and none next week and make no money next week and get no subs next month. It's a process daily, every day. How am I going to get attention today? How am I going to get views today? Which is going to drive your revenue up. Okay? Because as I said, the more people that see you, the more likely you're going to get more subs because they are potential customers. Mindset 1, that is. Mindset 2, I have to be unforgettable. I have to be unforgettable. So you can't just grab attention for just the reason of grabbing attention. You have to be unforgettable as well. You are the business. As a creator, you are the whole business. If you're forgettable, you are replaceable. And I mean, if you swipe through your Instagram reels, your TikTok right now, and you see so many OF creators, you cannot remember any of them. But the ones you do remember are not forgettable. Jelly Beans, Camilla, Sophie, Rain, you remember them. And it all comes down to branding, how they've perceived themselves and want to be perceived online. Okay, so how are you going to stand out and be unforgettable and not just a typical OF creator? Okay, so the things you need to do is niche down, show your personality, and do you have anything physical to stand out? Now, I have a whole video and a few videos on how to stand out to get the most attention, so I recommend watching them. But remember, if you're forgettable, you're replaceable, so you need to stand out. Number 3, going viral is a sweet science, not luck. And this is very, very key to understand because a lot of creators just think they can keep posting the same content that's been getting them 5,000 views and, oh, one of them will go viral. This is the wrong mindset to be in. This becomes a whole luck game in that side. Whereas top creators are thinking, how can I make each piece of content go viral? And what they do to do this, top creators are permanently studying what works and what doesn't work. So if they get low views, they're like, okay, I'm not going to try that again. Why did that do bad? And when they get high views, oh, why did that get high views? What did I do different? How can I recreate this? And they're not just studying their own content. They're looking at other creators. They're looking at popular creators in their niche, similar creators to them. And they're looking at what they're doing good as well and what they can take from them. Now, once you have tested something that works for you, you need to double down on it. You need to keep doubling down on it because this is where the sweet science comes in. Okay? So how are you going to go viral and study virality in other creators? So first of all, as I said, look at what's popular with similar creators because that gives you a direct link. Study good ideas in general. So even outside of OF, look at influencers in general because virality stems of that. A good idea can always go viral. And then study nuances and performance drivers because this can be the difference between getting 100K views and 1 million views. Number 4, consistency is what makes me successful. You must show up every day. It's very, very important. You can't just start posting for a week, have 2 weeks off. You can't post for 3 days, have a week off and start posting again. You're building no momentum with this. By posting every day, by selling every day, having that frequency is really building momentum for you. So it's not just, flatline posting. What happens is with consistency, you go up and you get that momentum and you start growing faster and you start making more money and your earnings skyrocket. So you really need to be consistent. Okay. Think of a creator right now. Think of Jelly Beans. Think of Sophie Rain. We see them in our feed every day, even multiple times a day. And this says it all. They don't have days off. And if they do, they use systems. They build systems that allows this. So, okay, you don't have to work 7 days a week, but who's going to be doing the chatting? Who's going to be the one posting? Do you need a scheduler to post? The key is to be consistent, and then you will be successful because you'll build momentum. Number 5, I get comfortable with the uncomfortable. Real growth happens outside of comfort zone. So think of it like a muscle. If you do the same weight every week, you're not going to grow that muscle. You have to get out your comfort zone, put heavier weight on, and then that muscle will start growing. Okay? What that means really is do hardship. So when I speak to creators and tell them talking videos would perform well for you, but they're like, oh, I don't like my voice because they're uncomfortable with it. We know directly that uncomfortable is what's going to make you successful. So you have to give it a go and you must try it because this is what's going to grow you fast. Okay? Now I'm going to say that lightly because there's going to be some things, especially directly on OF, that you just are fully uncomfortable with. And there is some things that you might not settle with. So I'm going to say that lightly, more on the marketing side instead of OF content. Number 6, I don't wait, I take massive action. Motion beats perfection. You literally cannot get a result unless you actually do and put action in. You can't just think about things and they come. You actually have to put the work in. The problem with most creators, and you might be suffering with this as well, analysis paralysis. They're thinking, oh, how can I make this perfect? And the problem with that, it cripples you from actually putting work in. They're thinking, how can I make this one video perfect? And they haven't posted in 7 days. Just start posting. What you want to do is you want to act fast so you can learn fast. Again, it's all about speed. So you do not wait, you take massive action. Number 7, creativity is your weapon. And you see this throughout all of the top creators. They're not just copying trends. And if they do copy an idea of a trend, they add their own twist on it. So you must, as a creator, see things different to all the other creators. You must think, oh, what can I add to this? How can I make it better? How can I see this in a different way? What's going to get me more views or make me more money? Creativity is your weapon, and that's what makes you unique to everyone else. Number 8, persistence is power. Look, there is going to be times where you have low earnings, bad months, low views. There is times that are going to be bad, but this is the time to really push through. Now, how you do this, say you're having a month where you've posted all 30 days a reel, for example, and none of the reels have cracked over 1,000 views. This is the time not just to keep going directly, you want to take it a step back for a minute. So even if you have a day off and not post and you think, okay, what's not working? What's working? You want to be objective about it when stepping back. Think, okay, what do I need to adapt to move forward? Then take action on this. But persistence is power. You must push through all the hard times. If you give up when times get hard, obviously you'll never be successful in the long term. Okay? I mean, example of this, I spoke about in my last video, we know Jelly Beans, especially on TikTok, has so many accounts because they get shadow banned. There's accounts she has with 2 million followers and it's been shadow banned. Many times this has happened. And do you know what she does? She's persistent. Next day, she's starting a new TikTok and posting. Then the last mindset you need to have that top creators have, which is making them over 100K a month, is I use what I have. Now, a lot of creators, and you might struggle with this, you might struggle with being resourceful. You must use what you have. Okay, when I say to a creator, this is probably a video that you might want to recopy or redo. So again, maybe we'll use Jelly Beans for example. She has many videos that go viral. The ideas are good. Like walking on her cart is a great format that can be done. When I show that to a creator or I'm talking with a friend, oh, but I haven't got a Porsche. I haven't got a Lambo. Do you not think the idea in general, walking the car, will go viral? Use what you have. Okay, so that's just an extreme example, obviously. But you need to be resourceful and use what you have to the maximum advantage. So maybe you can't afford a ring light at the moment. Go outside and use natural light. Maybe your background's bad. Okay, film outside. Again, just think of a way, okay, how can I do this to take the most advantage? Because that's where real leverage comes in place. And For example, if you're using natural light and you're using a background outside, you probably have a more chance of going viral anyway. So use what you have, avoid any excuses you use as well. But these are the 9 mindsets, the 9 core mindsets that top OF creators are having that are making them consistently over 100K a month. Which one are you going to adapt is what I would like to know in the comments. Also, if you are serious about your growth, I help creators go viral. I help them develop the winning mindset, and I help them make more money off each subscriber as well. So if you want to chat about that, just DM me on Telegram or DM me on Instagram at ArdenBliss1.